Sibingelele kuma journalist onke, siyabingelela kwi leadership yonke, i regional leadership yomkhonto nama sub regions akhona la ngaphakathi kule media briefing. Igama lami ke ngiuBenson wakwaNtshangase, uformer deputy mayor wakhona la uPhongolo. Umuntu usethathe I decision noma ku late, siyafisa ukuxolisa kakhulu kumkhonto wesizwe ukuthi si late uku-endorsa i-project ka comrade uJZ asinike yona ngo-24 la khona bonke abantu balelizwe benikezwe umkhonto wesizwe as a vehicle ukudriver i-agenda ye-service delivery. Sibonile KwaZulu Natal bonke abantu bavotele umkhonto wesizwe ngo-24. Ubuka kwi-legislature ina 37 seats. The next party we thought ina 17. So thina si small fraction esa resista i-call. We are saying namuhla ke kubantu bakwaZulu Natal ukuthi nathi we are joining umkhonto ngoba is the only organization abantu bakwaZulu Natal nabantu bezwe lakithi abashilo ukuthi vele yiyo ezobayisa phambili. We are doing lesi simo sonke ngecall ebekwe umhlonishwa umengameli uJZ ukuthi asiphusheni siphushele u2029 la khona sizobe sesilwela u2/3 majority wokwazi ukulida kahle izwe lonke, sikwazi ukulungisa sibophe ama gaps ongenzeka khona kwi constitution so that we better the lives of our people. Yileso sizathu esenze sajoyina umkhonto wesizwe. We are saying bonke abantu ikakhulukazi bala uPhongolo abajoyine umkhonto wesizwe vele ke ngo2024 mawubuka ama numbers onke ama wards except for 2 wards, ward 3 no ward 1 la khona umkhonto ungakwazanga khona, but with a small margin eyenza ukuthi amanye ama parties akwazi ukwalida lawo mali. Kodwa nje almost onke ama ward ala uPhongolo alidwa umkhonto wesizwe ngokwama numbers akhona. We are calling all abantu basoPhongolo to say go to ama polls ukhetho likhona ngomhla ka4 November and elect uhulumeni wenu njengoba nenza ngo2024. Thank you.